Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to segment your list in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Contacts in the left-hand menu. Then click Segments. This is where you can create and manage different audience segments. Now click Create Segment. The segment builder lets you organize your contacts based on different conditions. For example, you can segment subscribers by email activity, tags, contact lists, location, custom fields, subscription date, or many other criteria. One of the most popular options is email engagement. Simply choose conditions like opened or clicked, then select the email and the time period you want to use. This allows you to target subscribers who recently interacted with your emails. You can also segment contacts by location. Just choose a country, state, or city to create location-based audiences for local promotions or region-specific campaigns. Another useful option is custom fields. If you've collected information like interests, company name, or preferred products, you can create segments based on those values. You can combine multiple conditions using and to narrow your audience or. As you build your segment, GetResponse will show the estimated number of matching contacts. Once you're happy with your filters, enter a name for your segment and click Save. Your new segment can now be used when sending newsletters, creating autoresponders, or building automation workflows. Segmenting your audience helps you send more relevant emails, improve engagement, and increase conversions. That's it. You've successfully segmented your list in GetResponse. A special bonus: anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 high-converting email subject lines for affiliate marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials. If this video helped you, don't forget to like,